standing in the big gully where that erosive water we looked at earlier ends up. And as of here, we no longer have a problem. Why? Because we have nature's solution. Look what nature's doing. Because I have growth here, water-loving plants such as these Phragmites and these bananas, it's distributing the water, it's slowing the water down, it's creating a wonderful, cool microclimate. It's holding the water in the soil, which is much more spongy and workable here. You can feel it underfoot. And this is nature's solution. So we want to recreate this. Because look what happens. From this point on, if you follow me, you'll notice that we no longer have the carving out and the gully erosion. The water is now spreading in a wide sheet, which is altogether working. There's no evidence of erosion here. I want to come just a little bit further because I want to show you nature's solution again. So it's just a few more steps. It's worth it. So as we carry on down this gully where the water flows, this is what we want to recreate, which is not hard to do. Spread the water. And now you'll notice there's a bit more erosion here, but all of a sudden the erosion stops. What starts? Nature, plants, material to make the water slow down and go to beneficial purpose. You can clearly see that because there's growth here, there's no longer an erosion problem. And one last thing before we go. I came down here earlier and noticed these sections of bamboo which have fallen off the tree, and I couldn't help but think to myself, hey, disposable hockey pads. Wouldn't that be a good use? I'm Canadian, I always think in these ways. Final point. Here where the water slows down, look what takes. Big beautiful bamboo is loving it here. The roots are getting wet, and once again, because nature has been allowed to take over, we see what the solution looks like, and we have proof that what we're talking about works. At the end of the day, all we're trying to do with all those examples I gave you is recreate more of this. End of story.